So in today's video guys, let's take a look at a camera battery kit from a company called SmallRig. This battery charger lets you charge up to 3 GoPro batteries simultaneously, and even comes with 3 batteries that are already included in the package, so you don't have to purchase it separately. Sounds like a good deal, right? Let's find out. What you get inside of this package is a battery charger that's more or less like a protective case for your batteries. You can just throw it into your backpack and you don't have to worry about it because there is a special locking mechanism, so your batteries won't accidentally fall out of it. Click on the locking mechanism and inside of it you have 3 empty slots to store and charge your GoPro batteries. Notice that on the side, as well as under a cover, there are 4 slots in total to store a microSD card, which can come in handy when traveling. You also get 3 batteries, which are around 1720 mAh and support fast charging. So you can charge all 3 of those in just around an hour and 30 minutes, which can save you quite a lot of time.
You see, if you only have a GoPro with you, you have to put that battery inside of the camera, wait for like 2 hours for it to finish so you can take it out and put another one in. And the worst thing about it is that during that time you cannot use your GoPro. But with a battery charger like this, you can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, so you don't have to waste your time. You can just leave it charging and go outside with your GoPro and record some footage, which is a lifesaver when it comes to traveling.
What's really cool is that the charging case has a small screen display which shows you the battery level when you're charging your batteries. So you can tell which battery is fully charged and which ones are still charging. But you can also roughly estimate how much battery percentage you got, whether it's 100, 75 or maybe 50%. The screen display can show you all of that information even if you're not charging. Just open up the case and you can easily tell which battery is fully charged and which one is completely drained. And this feature is simply amazing because you don't have to guess it. You don't have to take a battery inside of your camera just to check how much percentage you got.
You know, it happened to me so many times that I went somewhere outside in a hurry and then I realized that I have like 20 or 30% in my battery. Yeah, so trust me, I've been there. With GoPro charger, you basically get a red or green LED light which only tell you that your battery is either still charging or just finished. So if a battery is at 95% and it's still charging for like 20 minutes more, you have no idea how long you have to wait.
But how about the battery life and how long can you record with these? Well, according to SmallRig, you should have around 55 minutes in 4K 60 frames per second and 115 minutes in 1080p 30 frames per second. So I put these batteries in 3 different cameras and tested it to see if I get similar results. So, are these batteries better than the original GoPro batteries? Well, they seem to be fully compatible, there are no warning messages and the battery percentage inside of the camera seems to be fine, but are they better?
You know, when it comes to the batteries, well, I don't know, for some reason I always prefer to use the original ones, maybe because they have slightly longer runtimes. What I want to say is that SmallRig batteries so far seem to be okay. I got no warning messages, no freezing up issues, and the battery percentage goes down just like in the original one, so I can't really say anything wrong about it.
So this is everything that SmallRig Battery Kit for GoPro has to offer, and this accessory in here costs around $65. And I think it's a reasonable price considering that you get 3 batteries, a charging case, and a few slots to store your microSD cards.
The only thing that I don't like about it is that only SmallRig batteries support fast charging. So if you put there your original GoPro battery, it's gonna charge it up, but at a normal speed. So if you only have one GoPro battery, it's not gonna be a big problem, but if you have more than that, it's something to keep in mind. Alright guys, I hope that you found this video useful and I didn't bore you to death with all of the details. Now, see you guys in the next video. Bye!